Bonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become a better. Namuhla, I want to speak to people. Ithunywa zabo zisaphakama. Uma isithunywa sakho sisaphakama, I'm talking about this because of the clients that I'm getting. I still say people should open their hearts because of people are shown who they really are or what type of spirit are they walking with. And njengoba ngasho ukuthi ingilosi ayifuni ukuthi uyijahe, ayifuni ukuthi uyigijimise because of, as people who help other people, I can see ukuthi uhamba nayiphi ingilosi. Ngingakunika iduku, ngingakwenzisa isiphika, ngingakwenzisa konke okumele ukuthi ukwenze, kodwa uma ingilosi ingakafiki isikhathi sayo ukuthi siphakame isithunywa, ngeke ke sisiphakame ngenxa yokuthi mina I'm pushing it. I can't push it. The only thing that umvelinqangi angiphe yona ukuthi ngikhulekise abantu, ngivule indlela, ngikhanyise bese wena mawubuya kumina ungichazele ukuthi hayi salukwazi khehla, ngiyabonga ngoba sengiyayibona indlela yami, ngoba ingilosi ifuna ukukhuluma nawe uqobo lwakho, ayifuni ukukhuluma nomunye umuntu ngoba abantu abafani. Yinto abantu kumele bayazi, abantu abafana, asifanani masingabantu. Ngayibona ingilosi yakho inkulu, inhle, namandla, bese ke ngiyakulahlekisa. I tell you lies, but I can't tell you lies because isuke isimile ke la ithi mtshela iqiniso, because if you don't tell the truth uzoshaywa ingilosi, izokushaya ingilosi, uzoshaywa idalwa zaloyo muntu loyo. So to the people, ingilosi zabo eyiphakamayo, kuzomela ukuthi umthembe umvelinqangi, kuzomela ukuthi uvule inhliziyo yakho and le oyibonile yiyo. And normally you are afraid of what you are. If when you are going to say ngiyasaba ngoba ngibone umnumzana, ngiyasaba ngoba ngibone a specific type of animal, but that animal wasn't harming you, you are afraid of yourself, you're afraid of who you are in the spirit. That's what you're afraid of, your power. If you just like angeke ngikhona, njalo wena uziphuphuse emanzini, uyangena emanzini kodwa nje uphinde ujike usaba amandla, you are not ready to accept your power. But it's high time now you open your heart and accept who you really are in the spirit and tap into this power. Ubone impilo yakhe ishintsha, ubone izinto ziyenzakala, ubone impilo yakho iguquka, uyibone usemandleni, ubone ukukhanya, ubone ukuthula, ubone impumelelo, ubone nje ukuthi umnqobi ngaso sonke God. So vula inhliziyo wena ophakamelwa yingilosi, vula inhliziyo, ngoba ukuvula kwakhe inhliziyo ukwamukela isipho sakho. Moso usamukele bese inkosi yakuhlenga, bese inkosi yakubonisa ukuthi le ngilosi yakho izosebenzani, izolungisani, imeleni le ngilosi, ngoba sonke sinazo ingilosi, kodwa ingilosi zethu zithunyiwe bakwethu, siyithunywa. Mabathi unesithunywa esiphakeme, uthunyiwe. ingilosi ohamba nayo ithunyiwe ukuthi izoyenza umsebenzi, bese uma usuwenzile umsebenzi bese konke kuyalunga. Akukho lula-ke. There are enemies, kunezitha, kunabantu abangafisa ukwabona amandla wakho aphakama, ngoba phela abantu bayawabona amandla wakho noma wena ucabanga ukuthi abawaboni. Abantu bayakwazi ukulibona ikusasa lakho abanye, so wena njengoba ucabanga ukuthi abakwazi ukukubona. So it's a constant battle you need to fight. You need to show umvelinqangi ukuthi uyawafuna nawo lamandla and uyawafuna, uyawalangazelela, uyawafuna ukuthi akusebenzele ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho. So ngiyanicela, khulekani nivule inhliziyo, khulekani man, khulekani la nikhona, khulekani niyinikezele, khulekani nithi yebo Nkosi, yebo Nkosi, yebo Nkosi, siyakuthanda, yebo Nkosi, siyakubonga, yebo Nkosi, umkhulu ey'mpilweni zethu, umkhulu ey'ndleleni zethu, yebo Nkosi, thatha indawo-ke manje, usake manje, sibonakaliseke manje. Bese yazibonakalisa. Ngiyakutshela impilo yakho angeke isafana, uyohlala emandleni, uyohlala uhlezi unokuthula. Ngiyanithanda bakwethu, ngiyanithanda. Akube ubumbano, akube uzwano nothando ngaphakathi kwenu. Laba abaphakamelwa yithunywa, vula inhliziyo yokukwasaba lamandla, ngoba uma usaba lento iyona, usaba lento engaphakathi kuwena. So uyasaba nje wena, uyasaba. Vula inhliziyo, ulahle lonke lolu valo, ubone umvelinqangi. Yazi ukhuleke nje, uyibona lento oyibona, kodwa ukhuleka uyinikezela, ungenelele ngamandla, yazi ungenelele ngamandla, ubone ukuthi izokwenza. Ngeke ikwenze lutho, iyomane nje ikuthobele ithi ngiyakuvuma, ngiyakuvuma. Kanti futhi abanye ukuze iy'ngilosi zabo yiphakame, ezinye iy'dalwa zifuna ukuthi uyihlangabeze, meaning kuzomele ukuthi uyehlane, uzobonisa uhlane lelo kumele ukuthi uye khona. Or sometimes you'll have to go to the waters, but I don't advise people to just go to the waters. Kumele uye ngoba usutsheliwe ukuthi iyake sekuyisikhathi. Fana nehlane, mangabe uzoyehlane kumele ukhuleke uliboniswe lelo hlane, hambe wedwa. Mawufika laphaya uyobathola bekulindile, bese-ke uyakhuleka bayakukhanyisela. Thina abanye-ke akudingeki nokuthi size sifike ehlane, basihlangabeza la sikhona, bayasithola. Noma ngabaleka ngiyephi bazongithola nje. That's it. I don't have to necessarily go somewhere and then pray there ukuthi bangifice. Bazongifica noma yikuphi la ngikhona. Bangikhumbuza njalo ukuthi bahamba nami ngaso sonke isikhathi. Njengoba ngasho, iy'ngilosi zethu ayisebenzi ngokufana, kodwa the secret is to just open your heart. Bese uyawabona-ke lamandla asebenza ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho, asebenza ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho, asebenza ngaphakathi komsebenzi wakho, uboniswe yakho indlela, bese kuba umusa, kuba ukukhanya. Hallelujah. Stay blessed. Mwah.